Hey guys, Dr. Cody here with some more stretches and exercises, this time to help out with neck pain. Now, one of the most common causes of neck pain that we see is this forward head posturing, right? We're always on our phones, we're on our computers, we're reading books, so we're kids working on school, and so our heads tend to drip down really forward. Think of it like a bowling ball, right? So average weight in bowling ball is about 8 pounds, weight of the head. So if you have your head sitting back like this, it's very easy to support the weight. That's how waiters will walk around with trays. Now, try taking that same bowling ball and holding it like this. All the stress and tension that's being applied to these muscles back here, that's where we feel pain. But which of the muscles that are actually doing the shortening? It's these front muscles. So we need to work on stretching these shallow muscles in through here, engaging the deep neck flexors and these extensors back. So first stretch we're going to do is one to stretch the SCM, which is this front muscle right through here. Very easy. You're going to take your hand, you're going to place it on your sternum. I like to double it up with the second hand. You're going to pull down with some good force. We're going to bend our head to the right, slightly turn our nose up to the left, and then we're going to lift our head up. The more you can pull down with pressure with your hands, the less you have to crank your neck back. Now everyone's a little different, so you may find a little different angle to get your stretch. So for me, it's about right here. And I like to stretch and breathe with each one, holding it for about 30 seconds or so. You can get a little bit more activation if you move your jaw. Finding a good spot to help open up some of these shallower muscles underneath the neck as well. We do the same thing on the other side. So again, we'll hold pressure. We're going to tilt our head to the left, rotate to the right, and then lean back. This side for me is tighter, so I would want to lean to this a little bit more, maybe holding for about 45 seconds to a minute or so. So that's going to help release some of these SCM tension that we have. Next, move for the scalenes, these muscles that run off to the side over through here. Hand placements will be similar, but a little bit off to the side. So right where your pec kind of meets your clavicle, you're going to hold some pressure. Again, pulling down. This time we're going to turn our head away, and then we're going to look up and back, almost like an arc. And again, the more you can pull down through this bottom attachment, the less you have to crank your head back. And we do the same thing the other side. So again, come out to the side, hold some pressure down, rotate away, and lean back. Nice. And again, that side's a bit tighter on me, so I would want to work on that a little bit longer than the other one. The muscles that we want to try to work on strengthening are these deep neck flexors, the longus colli. The way we do that is with a simple chin tuck, or as I like to call it, the double chin exercise. It looks awesome, so you can do it by yourself if you don't need to do it in front of people, but if you need to do it anywhere else, you can. It's super easy to do. Starting, you're going to take your hand, finger, place it right on your chin, and all we're going to do is just tuck our chin back and down. Hold for a couple seconds and come back. Again, we're trying to give ourselves a bunch of double chins here. When you do this exercise, it's really important that we feel it in the right spot. We should not have any pain or tension back here. All the tension should be deep within the front part of our neck. As you get comfortable with this exercise, you can add a little resistance with the band. So you can put a band behind your head, stretch it out, and again, tuck back and hold. You can hold for a couple seconds, get a little extra time under tension to really strengthen those muscles up. Last one I like to do is work in these extensors and trying to incorporate this nice curve back into our spine. Right? Our neck has this backward C shape, this lordosis curve to it, so we want to try to encourage that. We can do that with a simple head extension or head lift exercise. So you can come down on the floor, keeping your head straight down, nose on the floor, hands in a comfortable position, and all we're going to do is just arch our head up and hold. And come back down. Again, trying to get this arc into the head, looking straight up, and then back down. I like to do 3 sets of 12 with these, and these are great because you can incorporate this a couple times throughout the day. So first thing in the morning, before you go to bed, great way to help encourage this exercise. Don't be surprised if after the first couple times of doing that move, you have a lot of soreness back here. Again, these muscles haven't been worked in a while, so as we start trying to train them again, that soreness may be there. Totally normal, and it's fine to have. For the stretches, you can do them as often as you want. If you want to do them every 30 minutes, every hour, just find a routine that works best for you, but then you can do these exercises a couple times a day. So give these a try and see how they help with your neck pain.